Yes, be ready. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, so far as the rural banks are concerned, they will help the rural poor stop. But so far as I know, the number of banks which are going to be started is very small according to the requirements of the rural people stop. If you want that, they should really be helpful to the rural people. You must take into account the 60% population of the rural people who are almost poor peasants or agricultural laborers who require help, who are compelled to go to the money lender for their existence in their difficult time for their needs stop. If the government is really going to help them, then it requires finance stop. Those families as a whole in India will number a minimum of 6 crores stop. If you are to help them by giving at least rupees 100 or rupees 200 as loan per year for productive purpose, it will come to rupees 600 or 1200 crores per year stop. Then the purpose of the government will be really helpful to the poor people stop. Stanza. The question is, if you want to give loans to these persons and want to free them from the clutches of the money lender or the big traders, then you must create a condition so that these poor persons, may be agricultural laborers, may be poor peasants, will be able to utilize the money taken from the bank in a productive way, have some surplus, help his family and give back the loan taken from bank stop. In this way, the bank will be working properly, not getting liquidated stop. That condition must be created for the poor peasants and the agricultural laborers stop. This requires that these poor peasants must have sufficient land, proper irrigating facilities, seeds and all that, so that by utilizing a small plot of land he can produce sufficiently to maintain his family, to sell the surplus, make a profit and give back the loan taken from the bank stop. That condition must be created stop. That is the basic thing we must think of stop. How are you going to do that? Question mark. Without having that in our mind, our efforts will go in a blind way and will not help these poor people stop. Next comes the agricultural labor stop. If you cannot give them land, maybe scheduled castes or scheduled tribes or anybody, you must guarantee the minimum wage to the agricultural laborer stop. Over.